Hello! Last day in Hong Kong here. Departure area. Going to Manila. We're checking in. This standard travel document.
Wala pa tayong travel document eh. Diba? O, passport lang ba?
Passport. Ayun, mag-i-scan ng passport. Pauwi na kami ng Manila. Do you need more time? This standard travel document. So, in-insert lang yung
Sir,
passport.
is this my travel document? No.
Huh?
Is this my travel document? No.
Yeah, it's your travel. Yeah, let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Okay, so may mag-a-assist naman for you in case may error.
Have you done online checking?
What?
Have you done online checking?
Yeah.
Okay. The next one, Mr. A. Is your passport?
Check-in counter is still not open.
It's open actually.
Luggage.
You want to check your luggage?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you want to check your luggage.
So, yun yung machine for checking in.
Thank you. Ayaw basahin yung passport.
Ikaw, yun sa'yo. So, yun, merong hindi mabasang passport. Punta kami dun sa counter for help. So, maganda maaga kayo umalis. Kami mga 5 o'clock pa ang aming departure. So, we left the house at 11 kasi to catch up with the bus sa Chim Sha Tsui. May bus doon.
Do you finish online check-in?
No. My passport cannot read the machine.
The machine cannot read the passport. It's the other way around. Mahaba na yung pila. We haven't eaten our lunch. Pero mag-check-in muna kami para walang problem. Yun, advantage ng maaga, at least maayos pa namin. Meron palang times na ayaw basahin yung passport. Anong problema? Bakit daw nagagano?
Siguro dahil din. Parang may biyak.
Okay. Ayun. Assistance Center. Sige. Lalaki ng bags nila. Okay, see you later, guys.